and welcome to Tech Talk. We've brought our cameras to level 39, the financial accelerator based in London, and I'm here with Sam Gill, who is the co-founder and CEO of ET Index Research. Thank you for being with me and welcome. So tell me, what does the company do?
Sure. So we help investors to identify, understand and manage carbon and climate related risks within their portfolios. And so we do that by ranking the biggest companies in the world on their carbon emissions, which means we have carbon emissions data. We help with carbon analytics. So if you're a portfolio manager trying to understand what the changes in regulation and what climate change really means for your portfolio, and then with a view to doing something about that. So we produce low carbon indexes, which can be used as benchmarks or as the basis for financial products and strategies.
So it's all about the data, and so you're unique in providing this kind of ranking.
Yes, there are currently no other organizations in the world that are ranking the world's largest 2,000 plus listed companies in a public, transparent ranking.
So within the context of an index, you're essentially making investing in this space easier.
That's one way of looking at it, certainly. I think that it's always easier for action to happen when products are made available. But what we're really trying to do is reimagine index investing so that there is an engagement component to incentivize companies to be more transparent around climate change and ultimately to be managing that risk. And that's really where marrying the idea of a public ranking with an index comes in, and that's really our main unique feature.
So tell me a bit now about the company, how it came about, and your plans for the future.
Sure. So ET Index Research is a spin-out from a not-for-profit research body that has been ranking the world's largest companies since 2010. Back in early 2014, we were supported by the Climate Kick, which is a European Union initiative focused on innovative startups in the climate change space. So that was our first backers, if you like. Then we had some angel investment, and then just last year we closed a round of just over 1.1 million with family office and private investors. So I guess we're growing rapidly as a team, but still as a young company. So tell me also about the plans for the future. You say you're quite a young company, but where do you see the most interesting opportunities, bearing in mind that this is still a relatively new and complex market? Sure. So I think what we're seeing is let's say a maturity developing within the market around thinking about the issue of carbon and climate related risk. So for us, our roadmap is really around adding additional metrics to our offering. So one of the ones that we're exploring at the moment is green revenues. So revenues that are coming from companies that are looking to or that will benefit from climate change. So really, I guess from our point of view, it's adding additional data points that can help build up a more holistic picture of what carbon and climate related risks really mean, and then adding those to our analytics and index services.
Very well. Well, thank you so much for taking me through the very interesting subject of the company, and best of luck for the future.
Thank you very much.